So I will insert point at 0, 0, and then I'll go 50 left, 50 left, and 50 left. Then I'll select that point again. I'll go right and right. Then I'll select this point. I'll go 30 up, 30 up, and then 30 left. I'll select this point. I'll go 30 up and then 30 left, right. Then I'll zoom out a little bit. I'll select this point and I'll insert at 70 plus 50, 120 up, 120. That's the center of our circle. And then I have to insert two circles, like one is 30, another is 60. So press tab and then say 30, and then again and say 60. And I'm missing one point here. I have to select point tool, select this, and I'll go 50 up, 50 up, and then I'll select this one and I'll go also 50 up. So I need tangent line from this point to this circle, from this point to this circle, and that's all I need to finish this part. So I go polyline and then go this point, that point, that point, right click here, 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 and enter when I am done. And I press shift and select this circle. You see, colors are different now. I made, you can set up in your program what you like. I prefer blue and light blue for outside, inside cut, but for the people that are using SheetCam and they get used to use red and yellow, you can switch to that color scheme. And now you have everything you need. That's it. Very simple. And then I'll remove all, I'll remove all construction also. And then I'll do this part. So here I'll insert at 0, 0 first. Actually, yeah, okay, I can do that. And then I'll go 88 up. Then I'll go 64 up. Then I'll go 64 this way and 88 right. 8 right, and then I'll select this point, but no, I have to press escape, wrong tools. I select this point and then go 240 right, 240 right, and then move a little bit, and then I have to go 100 up, 100 up. That's all for what I need for outside, but for circles, I can go this way. Select this point and go 64 left, and then go 72 up, 72 up, and then I can go select this point and I'll go 72 left, and I'll go 40 up, 40 up, and then I need two circles, one from here, and press tab and enter. Radius is 32 and this circle radius is 21. Enter. And now I go polyline, make all outside cut first here, and press enter at the end. Press shift and include those circles in final part, and this is our part, as you can see here, done in couple minutes. Now we can play with that if we need, let's say, radius here, radius here, I need radius here, radius here, I can do chamfer here,